Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that for learning anything, what thing is necessary if you want to improve yourself in anything, such as if you are willing to play a game, then you are not interested to play that game, whether you can improve yourself in that game or not, or if you are willing to improve yourself in English language, whether you can improve, what thing is necessary to improve yourself to make you able to understand the things. That thing is the interest. If you are interested to learn anything, then you can learn very easily. Such as if you are not interested to play a game, such as you are not interested to play a cricket game, but some people are saying you that go and join the cricket team and play the match, then you will not do wonders there because you are not interested. But if you are interested, you want to improve yourself in that game, then you will do the wonders there. The same situation is with the language. If you are interested to learn any kind of language such as English language, then you will do your hard work with great enthusiasm. You will do your struggle, and in this way you will improve yourself in proper way. Otherwise, if you are expelled, if you are putting pressure on your mind to learn anything, then you are not able to learn things properly. If you are dedicated, you are interested, then you will learn the things and you will get happiness while learning, because this will be your interest. You will learn this thing with devotion. Otherwise, you can't achieve any kind of goal without interest. When you are interested, then you will do the hard work, and then you will not feel exhausted while doing the hard work. But where there you are not interested, you will feel exhausted. I think that kind of tension. So I think that for achieving any kind of goal, you should first of all set a goal in front of you, then try to achieve that goal with devotion, with interest, with hard work, and finally I think that you will reach on your goal. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and if you are new on this channel, you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.